Is kojic acid good for hyperpigmentation on dark skin?
Yes. Now, hyperpigmentation and dark skin is definitely a very popular topic. We see hyperpigmentation or dark marks and spots occur more often in skin of color, whether it's African American, Hispanic, or Asian skin. And the most common form of hyperpigmentation that I see in dark skin is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So dark marks from acne. When it comes to treating hyperpigmentation in darker skin, one of the biggest goals is making sure that you are using ingredients that are gentle on the skin. What you don't want is more irritation, which can lead to more inflammation, which leads to more post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. There are a lot of great skin lightening ingredients out there. When it comes to darker skin, I am a fan of kojic acid. I also like azelaic acid because that also treats acne and it's pretty gentle. I'm a fan of glycolic acid when used at a lower percentage. I would advise that patients use it under 10%, really even under 5%, especially if they're a beginner. Lactic acid is also another good alpha hydroxy acid that can be incorporated. It's a little bit more gentle than glycolic acid. I mean, it also depends on the percent strength. I like retinol. Now we have to be careful with retinol and prescription retinoids because that can be irritating in some people initially. Prescription retinoids are excellent for treating both acne and acne marks, but I'm very cautious about making sure I'm starting at a lower percentage with these prescriptions and then eventually working our way up. I'm also a fan of tranexamic acid as well as niacinamide and vitamin C. Vitamin C, you also have to be careful because that can be irritating, and niacinamide at higher percentages can be irritating as well, above 5%. Another ingredient that I like for skin of color is cysteamine. Now, I know hydroquinone is a very popular anti-hyperpigmentation ingredient. It's a prescription ingredient. It works really well for hyperpigmentation, but I'm a little bit more cautious in skin of color because it can occasionally cause what's called a halo effect, where it causes more of a lightening around the treated area. So that is something that I am more cautious about or that I will counsel patients on before prescribing it. And hydroquinone is not something that could be used long-term either. Some anti-hyperpigmentation products that I like are the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. Skin Medica has a great one, a new one, it's Even and Correct. Skin Better has a nice one that I think is pretty gentle, their Even Tone Correcting Serum. Urban RX came out with a cysteamine product. Cispera is also a great cysteamine product. The brand Topicals has a nice one called Faded. I also really like the First Aid Beauty Radiance Peel Pads. Those are gentle exfoliating peel pads that have a little bit of niacinamide and licorice root. Licorice root is another ingredient that's good at dealing with hyperpigmentation. It's gentle. When it comes to niacinamide, it's actually incorporated in a lot of moisturizers. CeraVe incorporates niacinamide in their moisturizers. So does La Roche-Posay, Skin Fix as well. Also, really important is to use sunscreen every day. A lot of times people with darker skin tones don't think they need sunscreen, but the sun plays a crucial role when it comes to darkening all those post-inflammatory marks. So if anything else, please wear sunscreen. I think that if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, it's best to see a dermatologist who can really get you a tailored regimen that really works for your specific skin type. I know it might be hard to see a dermatologist, but there's a lot of online dermatologists that are easier to access as well if you're trying to find one. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about achieving healthy, radiant skin, be sure to download my free gift of my top 5 skincare favorites. And remember to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to join my holistic wellness journey for your mind, body, and skin. Thanks for watching.